Hi everyone, today we will talk about coding. What is it and why it is used and why we need to learn coding. Okay? Why it matters in today's world. First question, what exactly is coding? Many people think coding is something very complex, but actually it's simple. Coding is just means giving instructions to a computer. Computers cannot think like humans, so they only follow the steps we write in code. Okay? Why do we need coding? But why do we even need coding? Because computers don't understand our normal language. If you tell a computer, calculate my marks, it won't understand. You have to write exact instructions, and that's where coding comes in. So, how does coding actually work? Every program follows a simple process: input, process, and output. You give some data has input, the computer processes it using code, and then it shows the result. For example, like when you enter two numbers in a calculator and it shows the sum. Input, you enter two numbers, that is input. Process means to add or subtract. You can add the two numbers, it shows the sum. It works the coding. Okay. Now you might be thinking, where do we actually use coding? The truth is, coding is everywhere today, right? When you log in into Instagram, coding verifies your details. When you order food online, coding calculates the total bill. Like we use coding. Okay. Another interesting question is, what skills does coding actually build? Coding improves logical thinking and problem solving. When a program has error, you need to analyze the problem step by step and fix it. It is the main skill to every program developer. Okay, is coding necessary nowadays? Yeah, important for IT software job, for build apps system. It is mandatory for every career. No, it is not mandatory for every career. Okay, AI is booming everywhere right now. So a lot of people ask this question: if AI can write code, why should we learn coding? Right? The answer is, AI can generate code, but it cannot fully understand complex problems. Yeah, for example, AI might write a small program, but build a full banking system still requires human developers, because in banking system there is passwords, authentication, so lot of the in the banking system. So we need human developers. AI is a tool, only tool. Okay, not entire like human. Okay. So the main takeaway is this: coding is just about typing code, it's about thinking logically and solving problems. AI is a powerful tool, but coding is the foundation. Okay. Uh, Thanks for watching this video. I hope this helped you understanding what coding is and why it is important today. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to Code with Usha for more simple